Hey everyone, it's me, Christine. I am going to show you guys how to make those bracelets that we talked about in our Zoom meeting tonight. But first, I kind of wanted to show you guys how to make a square knot, which is what these are here to make your bracelet. I'm going to show you on the bigger cord that we used the other night. So in order to do this, you need two strands of string. You can make them 2 feet long and to practice on. And I'm just doing the Larks head knot onto here to show you how to make your square knots. So to do the Larks head knot, you just put your little loop in and pull the tails through. Okay, so that's the Larks head knot. But we're actually trying to learn how to do the square knots. And I wanted to show you on bigger cord because my cord that I'm using for my bracelets is really tiny, and I think it just would help to see it on a bigger cord. So you have your 2 strands in the middle, and we're going to make a square knot. So in order to make a square knot, we're going to go over the 2 strands in the middle first, and your far right cord goes over top like so. So once again, you're making the number 4. You take the strand that you put over top, and you're going to put it behind the 2 and through the 4 hole. So now it kind of looks like a pretzel in a sense, like you're going to make a pretzel, and you pull that tight. So that's just 1/2 of the square knot. And the other half is you're going to take this one now on your left hand side. You're going to put that behind like so. Put the one that's on your far right, put it over top. Ooh. Nope. Goes like this. There we go. It goes underneath that one, like so. And you still kind of have this 4, but this strand went behind the 2, and this one went behind the tail of the 4, okay? And so the strand that's on your far right side is going to go through this 4 hole on top. Okay? And then we pull. I'm going to show you guys that one more time on this big strand. And you can always rewind and rewatch this part too if you need to. And also, I highly recommend that you just practice using it on the bigger one, and then once you get it down on here nice and neat, then you can really move on and do this like finer square knotting. So let's try it one more time. So you're going to take the strand that's furthest on your left side, and you're going to put that over the 2. Okay? Over the 2 and over the 3rd one here. Actually, no, sorry. Over the 2. The one on your right goes over top of your 4 here, like so. And it's going to go behind these 2 strands, but stay on top right here. And it's going to come up through this hole. So we take that tail, it's coming up through that 4, pull that through, and pull it up together to the top. Okay. So that's only 1/2 of it. Now to finish the square knot, we put the strand that is on your left, we put it behind the 2 strands. And in front of the strand furthest to your right. Then we take that tail end and we put it through the 4 hole here. And we put that through. And we pull tight. Okay, that's completed 2 square knots. Now, when you start counting square knots, because this bracelet here, we're gonna make 10 square knots. Sometimes you can lose count. How you keep track of your square knots is right here. We have 1 and 2 square knots. All right? We can see it on this side too, 1 and 2. So we've made 2 square knots. So now I'm going to show you how to complete this look, and we're going to start off with the square knots.